Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the volume button flex on the iPad mini 6. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. Next, remove the screen to access the internal parts. Proper heating is required before removing the iPad screen from the body. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the iPad mini with the front screen facing down and select the tablet heating option. Leave it till the process completes. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer if heating pad is not available. Once heating is complete, place a suction cup on the edge of the screen to create a small gap. And then gently insert a plastic upright tool into the gap and carefully cut through the adhesive around the edges. Please note this process will take time. Be careful when lifting the display, as the flex cables are still attached and located along the side of the frame. Do not fully pull the screen away from the device. Next, gently lift the LCD screen and tilt it slightly from the bottom edge to about 30 to 45 degrees. Next, remove the shield by undoing 5 screws. Next, carefully disconnect the battery connector and then disconnect the LCD and touch display connectors. Next, remove the faulty volume button flex from the body. First, on the top right side, remove the bracket by undoing the 3 screws. Next, disconnect both the speaker and volume antenna plugs. Gently pry the flex cable while removing the tape, securing it to the frame. Next, remove the 10 screws securing the speaker assembly, antenna flex, and volume button flex cable. Next, gently lift the antenna flex to gain access to the volume button bracket. Remove the two screws securing the volume button bracket. Next, carefully peel the volume button flex cable from the frame. Remove any tape covering the cable route and lift out the flex cable and the bracket assembly. Next, remove the faulty volume button flex cable from the bracket. Next, install the new volume button flex cable onto the bracket and position the assembly in the frame. Secure the bracket with the two screws. You can also test the button response by pressing the buttons from the outside. Next, reposition the antenna flexors and ensure the grounding brackets are aligned correctly. Next, install the screws and verify that all antenna flexors are routed properly before tightening them. Next, reinstall the remaining screws securing the antenna and speak assembly. Finally, route the flex cable correctly and reconnect it to the logic board. Also, connect the speaker connector to the board. Finally, reinstall the bracket and secure it by adding 3 screws. Next, connect both LCD and touchscreen connectors to the board and then connect the battery plug. Next, secure the shield by adding the 5 screws. Before closing the device, it is recommended to test the display to ensure proper functionality. Turn on the device for testing. Next, apply adhesive around the frame. You can use pre-cut adhesive or B7000 glue. Next, carefully align the screen and insert the top section first. Then gently press the sides and bottom into place. Apply even pressure around the frame edges for proper sealing. Finally, we are using bonding clips to secure the screen to the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.